Okay, personalized attention will be given to each and every student, where the class size is maximum 6 students. A dedicated academic mentor team will be allotted to work on student progress, and we also cover syllabus as per the school exam scheduled, and also we handle custom requirements. Yes, our key features is we provide a detailed progress report after every month. Students can take Swiflearn academic test series, which is on every month of Sunday, where you can get scholarship of rupees up to 1 lakh. Students can take unlimited practice tests, and this test will be subjective tests for your school exam. So why are you waiting for? Book a free trial now. Yes, students, those who are new can comment your names in the chat and let me know in which standard you're studying. And those who are new, don't forget, please don't forget to subscribe our channel, hit the bell icon so that you can never miss any update. Yes, today's topic of discussion is Heron's formula. Okay, this is for class 9th. Yes, objective of today's class is, let us recall different types of triangles. Let us recall the area of the triangle. Let us recall what is right angle triangle. Let us recall the area of equilateral triangle and isosceles triangle. Solve some problems based on triangles and their areas. Let us learn the new thing today, which is Heron's formula, and let us solve different types of problems based on Heron's formula. Yes, yes, the first thing. What is a triangle? If you ask me, can you comment in the chat if you know this? Yes, a triangle is a geometrical figure enclosed by three lines. Okay, tri means three, angle means angle. So measurement of three angles is triangle. Yes, and triangle has three vertices. Okay, three sides, three angle, three vertices. Okay, A, B, B, C, C, A. These are sides. There are three sides. Angle A, angle B, angle C. These are three angles. And vertices, point A, point B, point C. These are three vertices which a triangle is having. Yes, this can be denoted as triangle ABC, where these are the sides. We discussed all these things. Yes, and sum of interior angles of a triangle is equal to 180 degrees. No matter what type of triangle it is, maybe equilateral triangle, isosceles triangle, scalene triangle, right angle triangle, कौन सा भी triangle, any triangle, okay? Sum of all the three angles will be equal to 180 degrees. Yes. And what is a right angle triangle? A triangle in which one angle is right angle, which is equal to 90 degrees. That is a right angle triangle. Or baki ke angles may be any angles, okay? But remember the sum should be 90. 90 cube, because sum of all the three angles is 180. Now this is 90, so 180 minus 90 is 90. So the remaining two angles sum should be always 90 degree in a right angle triangle. The opposite to this right angle is called as hypotenuse. Hypotenuse is also the largest side in a right angle triangle. And the other two sides, they are called legs or base. Yes. Let us recall area of a equilateral triangle. Now, what is an equilateral triangle? A triangle in which all the three sides are equal in length. That is equilateral triangle. We also have a standard formula to find the area of a equilateral triangle. That also we can use. So this approach also we can use. Now, let us consider a triangle PQR with sides 10 centimeter, and we need to find the area of this equilateral triangle. Okay, now what we need to do is construct a line PM perpendicular to QR. Now we know this PM will divide the line QR into two equal lengths. So PQ is already 10, we know that. QM is half of 10, which is 5. Now this side we know, this side we know, this side we know. Now triangle PMQ. What type of triangle is it? Yes, it is a right angled triangle. Now using Pythagoras theorem, can we solve for the unknown length which is PM? Yes. PQ square is equal to PM square plus QM square. Substitute the value of PQ which is 10 square. Substitute the value of QM which is 5 square. Now simplify this equation. Simplify this equation. Okay, what do we get? We get 100 square, which we get 10 square is 100. 100 minus 25 is equal to PM square, and PM is equal to square root of 75. Okay, now how to divide 75? 75 can be written like this. Yes, you might have learned this in the chapter square, square root, cube, cube root. We need to factorize 75. I know the tables of 25, 25 3 are 75. So this can be written as square root of 25 into 3. We know what is square root of 25. It is 5. So 5 root 3 centimeters is the length of PM. Yes. Now this is how we find the length of PM, which is its height. Now we know what is the area of a triangle formula when height is given. It is half base into height. Yes. Yes, half base into height. Base is 10 meters, 10 centimeters. Height is 5 root 3. So solve this. We get 5 2 1 ja 2, 2 5 ja 10, 5 5 ja 25. 25 square root 3 centimeters square is the area of triangle PQR. Yes. Now let us consider an isosceles triangle and let us find the area of this triangle. कैसा निकालना है? Same principle. We need to find the height and use the formula half base into height. Now they have simplified and given the isosceles equal sides are 5 centimeter, 5 centimeter respectively. The base is 8 centimeter. Okay, and height will divide it equally in two parts. So YP is equal to PZ. Okay, total 8 है तो half हो गया 4. Now considering triangle XYP, okay, it is a right angle triangle. Yes. Now using this Pythagoras theorem, find the height of XP. We know how to find the height of XP using Pythagoras theorem. So I'm gonna directly write here 5 square is equal to 4 square plus XP square. We know this. This is a common right triangle triangle. Okay, so 5 5 जा 25, 4 4 जा 16, 16 यहाँ पे आ गया तो minus 16, which is XP square. XP square is equal to, or XP is equal to square root of 25 minus 16, which is 9. 25 minus 16, how much is it? It is 9. So square root of 9 is nothing but 3 centimeter. XP is 3 centimeter. Okay, so half base is 8 centimeter, height is 3 centimeter. This is the area of the isosceles triangle. Yes. So 12 centimeter square is the area of this triangle XYZ. Yes, let us have a look on isosceles triangle. What is the isosceles triangle? Isosceles triangle is a triangle where two sides are equal and the other side is not equal. Okay. Yes. Now see here this. Okay. Let it load. Yes. Now see this. What is the isosceles triangle? A triangle where two sides are equal. Okay. Now see here. It is like, see, two sides, these are equal. Okay. They are intersecting. They are overlapping each other. So they are equal. Okay. It's like drawing a circle with same radius R. So R is same. So the lengths of two triangles are same. Now see here. These two sides are equal in an isosceles triangle. Yes, and the angles are also equal in the isosceles triangle. Yes, and if you draw a angle bisector, it will bisect the base. It will bisect this angle, no doubt, and also the base in two equal parts. And this angle will always be equal to 90 degrees. These are the properties of isosceles triangle. Okay, yes. Now, what about Heron's formula? क्या है? Today's topic of discussion, the main part. Okay, what is Heron's formula? Let us discuss this. Yes. Okay. Heroin was born in 10 AD. Okay, in Alexandria, Egypt. His work on mathematical and physical subjects are so numerous and varied that he is considered to be an encyclopedic writer in this field. Okay, so he has contributed a lot in mathematics and physics. He is Heroin. Yes, and his geometrical work deals largely with problems on mensuration, written in three books. In one book, Heroin has defined the famous formula for area of a triangle in terms of three sides. Okay, to find the area of a triangle, क्या चाहिए था हमें? We needed the base length, we needed the height of the triangle, and we used to use half base into height. But what if height is not known? What if all the sides are known? Can we still find the area of a triangle? Yes, we can. That is what Heroin used and derived the formula. Yes, the formula given by Heroin for area of a triangle is also known as Heroin's formula, and the area of a triangle is given by, write this formula down, it is square root of, whole square root of s into s minus a into s minus b into s minus c. सर ये s a b c क्या है? ओके, a b c आर द लेंथ ऑफ द थ्री साइड्स. ओके, फिर अभी ये s क्या है? व्हाट इज दिस s? S is called as semi perimeter. Okay, it is equal to a plus b plus c by 2. If you add A, B, C, all the three sides, you get the perimeter of the triangle. And you divide the perimeter by 2, you get half perimeter or semi perimeter. Yes. So this is what it is. Semi perimeter is equal to A plus B plus C by 2. Let me draw a triangle so that you can understand it well. Okay. Now this is a triangle. Okay, let me take this as 10, 10, 5. Now add all the three lengths. Okay, let me make this 6. Add all the three lengths, 10 plus 10 plus 6. What do you get? All the lengths are in centimeters. So we get 26 centimeter. That is the perimeter. What is semi perimeter? It is half of sum of all the sides. So 10 plus 10 plus 6 is 26. 26 ka half है 13. Yes. And what are A, B, C? A is this side, B is this side, C is this side. सर हमको ऐसा लेना है, this is B, this is A, this is C. No problem, you can take any dimensions as A, B, C and solve. The answer will remain same. So this is what is S, this is what is A, B, C. Understood? If you have any doubts so far, you can comment in the chat. Yes. Okay. Now, based on what we have learned so far about the Heron's formula, let us try to solve a problem. Okay, क्या दिया है question? A triangular park ABC has 120 meters as sides as 120 meter, 80 meter, 50 meter. A gardener Manoj has to put fence all around it. Okay, also plant grass inside. How much area does he need to plant? Find the cost of how much area does he need to plant. Okay, underline this. This is very important. This is what is asked. क्या पूछे है? area. How much area does he need to plant? Is nothing but area of this triangle ABC. Okay, वो हमें ढूंढना है. Find the cost of fencing it with barbed wire at the rate of 20 per meter. Okay, find the cost of fencing. This is also we need to find. Okay, at the rate of rupees 20 per meter, leaving a space of 3 meter wide for the gate on one side. देखो यहाँ पे ये पार्क है, ये गेट है, सब जगह वायर डाले तो कैसे आना है, कैसे आओगे अंदर, राइट? सो सम स्पेस इज रिक्वायर्ड टू गेट इनसाइड द गार्डन एंड ही सेज ये 3 मीटर हमको वायरिंग नहीं करना है, रिमेनिंग वी नीड टू वायर एंड द कॉस्ट इज this. Okay, so what is the first thing, what is given ABC is a triangle whose length AB is 50 meters. Okay, BC is 120 meters, and AC or CA is 80 meters. To find what we need to find, we need to find area needed to plant. Okay, first thing we need to find area. How much area does he need to plant? Area needed, NEEDED needed to plant. Okay, this is the first thing which we need to find, and cost of fencing. CIMG. Yes. If you write like this stepwise, you no doubt you will get full marks. Okay. So let us begin with the question after writing this. Okay. We need to write like this. Using Heron's formula, okay, where S is equal to A plus B plus C by 2. How much is A plus B plus C? It is 50 plus 120 plus 80 by 120 plus 80 is 200. 200 plus 50 is 250. So S is 250 by 2, which is 125 meters. Okay, S is the distance, so its units will be meters. Yes, now this is S. How much is A? Let us take this as A, which is 50. Let us take this as B, which is 125. And let us take this as C, which is 80. So, using Heron's formula, where S is this and this, the area of the triangle, okay, the area of triangle ABC is given by square root of S into S minus A into S minus B into S minus C. Yes. How much was S? S is 125. How much is S minus A? Okay, 125 minus 50. Okay, for first time I'm going to write one more step. Later on I'm going to skip this step. I'm going to directly write the answer. S minus B. 125 minus 120 and S minus C. 125 minus 80. Now this is equal to what? This is equal to square root of 125 into 125 minus 15. Okay, so it is 75. 125 minus 20 is 5 and 125 minus 80 is 45. Now split these numbers so that it will be easy for us to calculate the square root. Okay, so yes, 125. How can I write it as? It is nothing but 5 into 5 into 5. Yes, 75. 25 3 just 75. So I'm gonna write 5 into 5 into 3. Okay. 5 as it is, we cannot split it further, and um, 45 as 5 9 ja 45 or 5 into 3 into 3. Now make 2 pairs. ये एक पेयर हो गया, ये एक पेयर हो गया, ओके, ये एंड ये एक पेयर हो गया, ओके, ये दोनों एक पेयर हो गए हैं. सो फाइंड 5 25, स्क्वायर रूट ऑफ 25 इज 5. तो मैं 5 बाहर लिख सकता हूँ, ये वाला 5 भी बाहर लिख सकता हूँ. This also I can write it outside, okay, and 3 into 3 also, this I can write this outside. Now what am I left with? I'm left with this 3 into 5. Let me recheck once again, okay, just to confirm we are not solving this wrong. 25 is 5 into 5 into 5. 5 5 25, 25 5 125. Yes. 75 as 25 3 ja, 5 as it is, 45 as 5 9 ja. So this is all right. So 5 into 5 into 5 is 125, 125 3 ja we need, or 5 3 ja 15, 15 into 25. I know the tables of 25. I will calculate like this. देखो यहाँ पे, okay, 5 3 ja is 15, 5 5 ja is 25. So 25 5 ja, how much is 25? Take two numbers together and multiply. 25 5 ja is 125. 25 1 ja 25 plus 12, okay, it is 375. So 375 square root 15 meter square is the area of this triangle. Yes. So how much is the area of this triangle? Okay, 375 square root 15 meters is the area of the triangle. We have solved it, right? Yes. फिर क्या पूछा है next? He wants to fence along this garden, okay, but he wants to leave the space of 3 meters. So how much is perimeter first? We need to calculate perimeter, or 2s, okay, semi perimeter is half. So s is how much? We knew s was 125, okay, 125 is the semi perimeter, 2s is the complete perimeter, which is 250 meters. Now isme we need to minus 3 meter, so how much is that? 247 meters. Okay, now this much length of barbed wire is required, and the cost of per meter wire कितना दिया है उसने? How much has he given? Find the cost of fencing if the barbed wire rate is 20 per meter. So 247 into 20, that's our answer. Yes, 247 into 20. Okay, into 20. Double of 200 is 400. Double of 40 is 80. Double of 7 is 14. Add them and put a 0. So 494. Okay, you can do this multiplication by normal method. I have used shortcut techniques. Do by the normal method, you will also get the same answer. So rupees 4940 is the cost of fencing this garden. Yes, this was the first problem. Find the area of a triangle whose sides are this respectively. Very easy problem, you will do this, I know. Okay, so let us solve this. Okay, answer दिया है, steps नहीं दिया है, तो let us solve this. Okay, yes. Given. What has been given? Given A is equal to 9 centimeter, B is equal to 12 centimeter, C is equal to 15 centimeter. This is given. To find what we need to find? To find area of a triangle. Area of triangle. Yes. And by Heron's formula, okay, area of a triangle is given by square root of s into s minus a into s minus b into s minus c, where s is what? S is equal to 9 plus 12 plus 15 divided by 2. Yes. 9 plus 12 is 21, and 21 plus 15 is 36. 36 divided by 2 is 18. 18 2 ja 36. So S is 18 centimeter. Substitute in this formula. 18 into 18 minus A. 18 minus A. Now I'm gonna write this directly. 18 minus 9. How much is 18 minus 9? 9 hai. Yes, 18 minus 12. 18 minus 12 is 6. And 18 minus 15 is 3. Now simplify this. 18 can be written as 9 2 ja 18, which is 2 into 3 into 3. 9 can be written as 3 into 3. 6 can be written as 3 into 2. And this 3 as it is. Now underline this 2 2. Okay. 3 3 3 3 and this 3 3. Okay, so we don't have a square root in this problem. Clean answer आएगा. Yes. So this 2 I have taken outside. Okay, because square root of 2 into 2 is 2. Square root of 3 into 3 is 3. Again 3 and this 3. Yes. So 3 3 ja 9, 3 2 ja 6 and 3 3 ja 9. 9 6 ja 54. So 54 centimeter square is the answer. 54 square centimeter is the answer. ये है इसका answer. Yes, and we have solved it right. This is how we solve a problem using Heron's formula. Okay, नॉर्मल प्रॉब्लम्स और हीरोइन फॉर्मूला के बेस्ड प्रॉब्लम्स में क्या डिफरेंस है? नॉर्मल प्रॉब्लम्स में वी फाइंड द हाइट, वी न्यू द बेस एंड हाफ बेस इनटू हाइट यूज करके सॉल्व करते हैं. Yes, and in Heron's formula, if we know the three sides, we can find the area of a triangle using Heron's formula. Yes, we have a student here. His name is Abhishek Kumar. Is your name Abhishek Kumar? Can you confirm your name? Good afternoon, Abhishek. Is your name Abhishek Kumar or something else? Can you type your name in the chat? And also, can you tell me in which standard are you studying in? Yes. Okay, so what are we learning today, Abhishek? We are learning Heron's formula. It is a maths chapter in for class 9th. Okay? Yes. Find a park in the shape of a quadrilateral ABCD has angle C is equal to 90 degrees. Okay. Okay, 900 degrees. It is a right angle triangle, so it is 90 degree. Okay. Yes. And AB is equal to 9 centimeter, BC is 12, CD is this, AD is this. How much area does it occupy? Yes, Tanuja, Abhishek, Kumar, good to know you're from 9th standard. This is what we are learning for your standard. Okay. Yes, this is chapter 12, which is Heron's formula, and it involves finding the areas of a triangle and also quadrilateral like this. Okay, with some modification using Heron's formula. Okay, just to brief out you, what is Heron's formula? It is used to find area of a triangle when sides of a triangles are known, and the formula of Heron's formula is square root of s into s minus a plus s minus b into s minus c. Where what is s? Can you comment in the chat? Yes, s is nothing but semi perimeter. क्या है उसका value? It is a plus b plus c by 2, means perimeter, total perimeter divided by 2. This is S, which is semi perimeter. So question here on the screen, क्या पूछे है? एक quadrilateral दिए है, that is right angled at C. Okay, and we need to find the area of this quadrilateral. So yes. Okay, देखो यहाँ पे. Let me use this space. Okay. Okay. Yes. AB is 9. Okay. AD is 8. Okay. BC is 12. CD is 5. We have all the information required. So I'm going to cover this question also. Can be utilized for writing well. Okay. First, let us analyze this. हीरोइंस फॉर्मूला से हम लोग कर सकते हैं, बट वी रिक्वायर द डायमेंशंस। ये चाहिए, ये चाहिए, ये दोनों है, ये डायमेंशन चाहिए अभी। Okay, how much is this? We need to find. Also, we can find this dimension, and this dimension. With this, we can find area of this triangle also. Add both the triangles. We get area of a quadrilateral. Now, देखो यहाँ पे. Okay, using Pythagoras theorem. See, DCB is a right angle triangle. Yes. So, using Pythagoras theorem, DB square, okay, is equal to what? Is equal to sum of squares of the other two sides, which is 12 square plus 5 square. 12 square is 144, 5 square is 25. Add them, we get 169. DB square is 169. And do you know what is the square root of 169? You should know this. Okay, square root of 169 is nothing but 13. So 13 meters is dB. यस सर, ये स्क्वायर रूट 39 169 13 कैसा आया सर? सिंपल, फैक्टराइज इट, 169. ओके, it comes in the table of 13. It is it is divisible by odd prime number 13 only, other number से नहीं है. So 13 into 13 is 169. Check this out. Do this. 3 3 जा 9, 3 1 जा 3, 3 1 जा 3, 1 1 जा 1. Add this, we get 169. Yes, Abhishek Kumar, 13 is the right answer. Very good. And also Shabash for participating in this. So what about the other students? Tanuja, yes, let us solve this together. Abhishek is there with us. So DB is 13. Okay, now let us solve everything. Okay, what we need to do is find the area of both the triangles. Yes. Okay, now considering triangle DCB, okay, what is the area of triangle DCP? We can also use half base into height. Half base into height. So this half into 12 into 5 is 6 5 30. 30 आना वाला है. Okay, answer. Yes, we can also use Heron's formula. Because we are dealing with Heron's formula, let us stick to Heron's formula and use this. Okay. For triangle DCB, what is the area of the triangle? ओके, फॉर्मूला यूज करके करेंगे. वहां पे एस आने वाला है. हाउ मच इज एस? ओके, सेमी पेरीमीटर इज सम ऑफ ऑल द साइड्स. ऑल साइड्स को ऐड करो, 13 प्लस 12 प्लस 5 एंड डिवाइडेड इट बाय 2. yes, 13 plus 12 is 25. 25 plus 5 is 30. 30 by 2 is 15. So s is how much? 15 centimeter. Yes. Now let us find the area of a triangle DCB. I'm gonna write the formula again because you are new here. Yes. Should I go back? Okay, like a lot of things are messed up. मैंने सब cover कर दिया है. Do you want to ask something specifically, Abhishek? Don't worry. You ask me, I will tell. Okay, back जाने के लिए बहुत मुश्किल है अभी. Yes, मैंने hide कर दिया, ये कर दिया, undo करते करते it will take a lot of time. So if you want to ask anything in specific, please, you are welcome. Okay, using Heron's formula, area of a triangle is given by square root of s into s minus a into s minus b into s minus c. Okay, इसका whole square root. सर ये s क्या है? S is semi perimeter. And how to calculate semi perimeter? Add all the sides of the triangle and divide by 2. That is how you get semi perimeter. Now S is this. What is A, B, C? These are the sides of a triangle. ये A है, ये B है, ये C है. You can take A, B, C in any order. ये चाहिए तो if you want you can take this as A, this as B, this as C, or this as A. Any order, any order. Okay, the answer will be same. Yes. Now how much is S? 15. Here I'm gonna write one step direct. Okay, because the space is less. So 15 minus A. 15 minus 13, how much is that? 15 minus 12, 3. 15 minus 5, 10. अभी ये स्क्वायर रूट हमको सॉल्व करना है. Yes, 15 can be written as 5 into 3. 2 as it is, 3 as it is, 10 can be written as 5 into 2. Now make two pairs. See 5 5 एक pair बन गया है. I'm gonna write it outside. 3 3 का भी एक pair बन गया है. I'm gonna write it outside the square root. 2 का भी pair बन गया है. So अंदर क्या है? सब हम लोग ने सब नंबर्स बाहर ले लिया. What number is left inside? 0. 0 तो नहीं है. Yes, 1 रह गया है. If there is nothing here, it is 1. So square root 1 is 1. So 5 into 3 into 2. 3 2 ja 6, 6 5 ja 30. So 30 meter square. 30 square meter is the area of this triangle. यही मैंने बोला था. Yes, using half base into height वाला formula use करके. Yes, Abhishek, the answer is 30 meter square. Okay, don't forget to write the units in exam. सर ये अगर ये तुम भूल गए, so you will get 1 marks less. 2 बार भूल गए तो 2 mark less. Yes, yes, Tanuja, 30 meter square is the answer. Very good. चलो, let us solve the area of the another triangle. क्या है वो? Okay, let us find that. इसका 30 है तो मैं लिख देता हूं. Yes, the area of this triangle is 30. The area of this triangle. Okay. And वो साइड कितना था? हाँ, it is 13. अच्छा हुआ मुझे याद है. Okay, because 13, 12 and 5 is a Pythagorean triplet. तो मुझे याद है. Okay, how much is this? 8 है ना? Okay. Yes, find this, find this, find this. Yes, चलो. Square root of S. अभी S चेंज होने वाला है. देखो यहाँ पे S क्यों चेंज होने वाला है? इन ट्राइंगल ADB. ये अलग ट्राइंगल है ना, डायमेंशंस अलग है, तो S चेंज हो सकता है. Yes, S, the semi perimeter is given by A plus B plus C by 2. How much is A? A is 8 plus 9 plus 13 by 2. Yes, 8 plus 9 is 16, is 17, sorry, and 17 plus 13 is 30. So 30 divided by 2, how much is that? ये भी 15 आ गया. अरे वाह. So S is 15 centimeter. Now let us use the formula square root of. Yes, it is tough to chat, right? This formula. Otherwise, I would have asked you. Just a single concept, okay? And a lot of questions are coming on this. So yes, S is 15. So 15 minus 8. How much is 15 minus 8? This is A, this is B, this is C. So 15 minus 8 कितना है? 7. Yes. 15 minus 9 is 6 and 15 minus 13 is 2. Now split this. We can write 5 into 3. 7 is a prime number. We cannot split it. 6, 3 into 2. और ये 2 as it is. Now make pairs. ये 3, ये 3, ये 2, ये 2. Okay. So outside I can write 3 into 2. And inside the square root remains 5 into 7. 3 into 2 is 6. 7 5 is 35. Okay. Meter square. Okay, meter square root के अंदर मत लिखो. Yes, 6 square root 35 meter square is the right answer. Yes, any doubts in this? This is the answer. And you add them, you get this. Yes, or also you can write this plus this. ऐसा भी कर सकते हैं. Okay. Yes. Okay, this is a fun fact. Heron's formula credited to Heron of Alexandria for finding area of a triangle in terms of length of its side. Yes. Yes. Enlist different applications for Heron's formula in a day life. ओके, डू यू नो, लाइक कैन यू टेल मी सम एप्लीकेशंस जहां पे हीरोइंस फॉर्मूला यूज होता है? ओके, सो अभिषेक कुमार इज टेलिंग 15 मीटर्स होगा. लेट अस चेक. ओके, और एक बार करेंगे. नो वरीज, नो प्रॉब्लम्स है, अभी टाइम. तो दिस वाज 15, राइट? यस, दिस वाज 13. ओके, एंड करेंगे, और एक बार करेंगे, और एक बार करेंगे. लेट अस सी. कभी कभी गलती, जल्दी जल्दी में गलती हो जाता है. नो वरीज, वी विल डू इट अगेन. इफ यू आर रॉन्ग, इफ यू गेट द सेम आंसर, यू विल ऑल्सो कम टू नो. यस. सो हाउ मच इज एस? S is 9 plus 8 plus 13 by 2. 9 plus 8 is 17 and 13, which is 30. Agreed. And 30 by 2 is 15. S is 15 meters. Yes. Agreed for this? Okay. Now, square root of S into S minus A. 8 minus 15. 8 minus 15 is 7, right? And into 15 minus 9 is 6, and 15 minus 12 is 3. Any mistake so far? Nahi na? We have solved it correctly. ओके, ये 15 मीटर से, देखो 15 मीटर से, नॉट सेंटीमीटर, मीटर है, मीटर लिखा है. पहले मैंने लिखा था, ओके, गलती से हो गया रहेगा, बट नाउ आई हैव रिटन मीटर्स. Yes, now simplify the square root. 15 can be written as 5 into 3. 7 is a prime number. 6 is 3 into 2 and 3. देखो अभी पेयर्स बनाओ. हो, यस 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 यस, ये 3 रह गया था क्या? डिड वी फॉरगेट दिस 3? हो जाता है गलती पे. यस, this 3 is pair. Okay, 15 is 5 into 3, 7 as it is, 3 into 2 as it is. Okay, and 3 as it is. So 3 outside, and what do we have here? 7 5 are 35. Okay, and 35 6 ja. Okay, 5 6 ja 30. 6 3 ja 18, 19, 20, 21, 210. Are we getting 210? No, 210 नहीं है. Okay, है. So do you know what is square root of 210? Somewhat. Okay, 15 is there, 7 is there, 3 into 2 is there, and 13 minus, okay, again I'm doing this mistake. This is S into S minus A into S minus A. 13 minus 15, 13 minus 15 is 2. Okay, 13 minus 15 is, ये 2 है, तो ये 2 भी बाहर लेना है हमें. So 3 into 2 is 6 and 7 into 5 is 35. Yes, हमने सही किया था पहले भी. Yes, so 3 outside, 2 outside, 3 into 2 is 6, square root of 35. 15 minus 9 is 6. Yes, that is what I have written here. 15 minus 9 is 6, and 6 is 3 into 2. 8 देखो, 15 minus 8 is 7, 15 minus 9 is 6, 15 minus 13 is 2. यहाँ पे लिखा है देखो मैंने करेक्ट, 2. Yes, now made pairs like this and have solved this. Now 35. 5 5 ja 25, 6 6 ja 36. Approximately, somewhat it is equal to 6. So 6 into 6 is 36. Okay, and पहले 30 आया था, तो 66 से थोड़ा कम आना चाहिए. That is the answer. Okay, yes. So 65.5, yes, 66 से थोड़ा कम आना चाहिए थे, बोला था ना मैंने. 65.5 is the answer. You find the square root of 35. You'll get 5 point something something. Up till 2 decimals करो, and 5 into 6 is 30. 30 point something something आएगा. You are gonna get 30.5. I'm sure about that. And 30.5 plus 30 will give you, how much it will give you? It will give you 65.5. Yes. Yes. डे टू डे एप्लीकेशंस जहां पे भी ट्राइंगल है उनके साइड उनके एरिया निकालना है. ओके वहां पे we use them. Okay, for example aeroplane wing design, अगर if you want the area of this, okay, dynamic analysis में आता है, there we can use this Heron's formula. All engineering applications, but now we have our computers, laptops. It does it. It does it. It does the area for us. Okay, so वहाँ पे use नहीं करते हैं, but we can use. Yes. Now what did we recall? ये सब हमने आज किया है. Yes. So these are your questions for your homework. Okay, take a screenshot if you want. Okay, if every side of a triangle is doubled, then find the percentage increase in the area of the triangle so formed. Yes. Now, how to do this? How to do this? How to do this? If every side of the area, if every side of the triangle is doubled, okay, let us take an triangle of side x, 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 okay, and do this. डबल करो उसको, डबल करने के बाद आंसर निकालो, फाइंड द डिफरेंस एंड फाइंड द इंक्रीज इन परसेंट. इंक्रीज इन परसेंटेज कैसे करते हैं हम? व्हाट फॉर्मूला यू विल यूज? डिफरेंस डिवाइडेड बाय द इनिशियल वैल्यू इनटू 100. डू दिस, यू फाइंड द परसेंटेज डिफरेंस. ओके, विच इज इंक्रीज. इंक्रीज हो गया ना, छोटा से बड़ा हो गया डबल की. Find the area of a triangle whose sides are this. Here, so easy question is straightforward question. You can do this using this. And Suman has a piece of land which is shape of a rhombus. Okay, she wants her two sons to work on the land and produce different crops. She divides the land into two equal parts by joining the diagonal. If its perimeter is 400 and one of the diagonal is of this length, okay, how many much area of them will get for his crops? Okay, rhombus में क्या है? और all sides equal? Yes, all sides are equal, so divide by 4 करो, you will get the each side. Yes, and diagonal है. Now use this two sides and a diagonal, find the area. This is how we need to do. Yes. And this is also one formula. ये question है, the sides of a triangular arc are this respectively. A small circular area of diameter 2 meter is to be left out and the remaining area is to be grown for roses. How much area is used for growing roses? Easy है. Find the area of the triangle, find the area of a circle, subtract करो. Area of the triangle minus area of a circle will give you the remaining area, and wherever area of a circle is there, they have given you, use the value of pi as 3.14. Use this and solve this. Yes. So that's all for today. Stay tuned for the next class. We will learn the second